National Weather Service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Bedford, Kenning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Here is the